Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to get dynamic island on your Motorola Edge 60 Pro. First we need to go to Play Store, then click on the search icon, then on the search bar write dynamic spot, install it. Once it's done, open. Next, now select apps that you want to pop up. Let's say I'm gonna go with, I don't know, Facebook. Okay, notification access, dynamic spot, allow notification access, allow, draw on screen, allow, and wait, next. Dynamic spot, use dynamic spot, allow, done. And it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.